Hello. So we are back Thursday. Let's fix a DVD today, yeah? This is not like a normal hard drive to DVD device. So you can record from the hard drive to the DVD or from DVD to the hard drive. I don't know. I have no idea. The problem with this one is that it's saying no power. I did plug it, yeah? When I plug it, I can hear a small spark, so I believe it's not a power supply issue. Or anyway, it's not a high voltage primary power supply, yeah? So the power is plugged in. Let's try to power on. Yeah, the power button is here. This one, yeah? Pressing the power button and nothing happened. It's not coming on, it's not doing anything, it's just dead. Okay? So let's open this quickly and try to fix it. It should be fun, you know? If I will fix like every time like laptops, I will get bored, but we are fixing different things, and that's the fun of that's the funny part. It's relaxing, you know, trying to fix different things. Because every time you apply, same rules, you know. It's electronics. And on some point, everything get reduced to the ohm law. Yeah? So that's all. Yeah. So you open the all the screws. So let's open this. Ta-da! The caps are fine. No, one cap is blow up. This one. Yeah, you can see. Oh, even this one. And this is from the high voltage circuit. This is a chip, it's not a transistor. So we do have a power supply issue. We have only one power supply. See, this power supply is nice. It's simple, easy. You have only one chopper. You can easily cut it in half and modify it. So simple. We have a double diode on the heatsink. This cap is blow up. Well, let's check some things, yeah? If we open, let's check. Let's see, do we have any output? So the on-screen multimeter. Let's see the output. And we have 12.4. Okay, so it's not a power supply problem. 12.4. And this blow up cap is... Oh, sorry, what happened here? My multimeter. $12.4. So the power supply is dodgy, but it's working fine. We have another cap blow up here. I don't know if you can see it. Power button, let's check the voltage on the power button. And it is 3.5. Pressing the power. You know, a funny thing can happen when you press the power button, but let's try it. ground plus volts. Let's push the power button. And the voltage is still stable, it's not. The voltage on the power button, 3.5, pressing the power button is going to 0. The power button is good. So how you fix something like that? Because a power supply, let's say it's easy to be fixed. But this big, huge thing, so exactly what happened. Processor is fine, has voltage. You press the power button, it's supposed to read the power button and power up everything, which is not doing it. So either the processor is dead or something else. Let's try something else. Let's unplug the DVD. The power, yeah? Let's unplug the power. Let's go with 12 volts. 12 volts. Ground. Plus. And it's taking 20 milliamps. 200 milliamps, sorry. Let's press the power button. Power button. Nothing happened. Okay, this is different plus. Either I'm stupid or something is wrong. So what's the voltage on the power supply? 11.7. When I came here it's 12. How is possible? One more time, this is unplugged. Take the power supply is 11.7. You see, this is you can't explain this kind of things. So it's 11.7, touching here, 12. Explain that. Explain that. Taking this out, 11.7. Coming here, 12. That's a weird thing. If you check with the voltmeter, I'm sure there's no voltage there. Voltmeter, and it's 0. You can see on the voltmeter is nothing. It's 0. How you can explain that? No, a capacitor will not make the voltage higher. And I can prove that. I can prove it. But I have no capacitor. The capacitor here, yeah? Power supply. Minus. Plus. And you can see, it's same, 11.7. Yeah? Now the capacitor is charged. It was charged, it's not anymore. One more time. Minus, plus, 12. Explain that. Why the voltage is rising? Just explain it. You can? You can? Just give me a comment, tell me how. It's not a capacitor, let me get another capacitor. Let me grab a big capacitor. This is a big one, yeah? (1,525 volts), yeah? My plus, minus 11.7. There's nothing changing. Yeah? Now let's go back here. (11.9). The voltage goes up from 11.7 to 11.9. You can see 12 volts. You can see 12 volts on the screen. Explain that. So here we have how it's called, perpetual mobile machine. Yeah, probably I will go for a Nobel Prize. We can we can make the voltage higher without any no, bad things happen when switching happen and things like that. Yeah, you can have this kind of weird, so something is switching on that power rail. So again, this is not plugged. So how we can fix this? But the problem is, even here it should be 12 volts. Here it is fine. It is nothing dodgy. It's not 11.7. But the power button is not. It's not. No one is trying to power up the thingy. Here we have 12 volts. You can see the current is moving around. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. But here something is switching. Look at the current. Something is working hard there. You know what I will think? Let's take the board out and replace that cap. Just because it's weird. If this is happening with my power supply, which is a linear power supply, keep in mind this is a linear one. It's just a stupid dumb power supply. That's what a linear power supply is. So it's not capable to do this kind of weird things like increasing the voltage. It's so nice, you know. You see how nice he's built this power supply. So let's see the schematic. The output of the chopper, we have like that. This is ground, this is plus. So we have only one output. I don't understand. One output is coming here. It's coming to this double diode. After that we have the plus, 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 and it's going out. So that cap is on what? This cap is here. This cap is coming from here, the voltage, from here, and from here, from the plus. That's weird. So you understand? Every cap is from the same point. You see, that's a weird job, a weird fault. So my blow-up cap is here. Minus plus, yeah? It's coming here. Here are trucks, are bridges from here. From here is coming here, and from here, and here. And this is the plus. You see the other caps are here. So you see, weird. You know why it's weird? Because the last bridge actually it's a coil. That's why it's weird. So something here is switching. Something here. That's why it's weird. So probably this switching power supply is making different voltage, and this cap has to be good, otherwise probably will not work. 220-25 volts. Let me find one. 220-25 volts. Okay. $220. I found 470, 25 volts, double. This is double compared with original. You see, not all the faults are like straightforward. You have weird faults. Okay, one pin, and the second one. Yeah, so the cap is inside. Let's solder properly the cap. That is fine. Now, if the board is open, let's replace even the one from primary, yeah? Let's replace even that one. That one is fine, but let's make it right. It's not fine, but it's still working. Well, let's make it right. So this has been replaced. Now the next one, let's see if we have any voltage there. I don't want to get electrocuted. Uh, 1.4, we should be fine. But this one, this cap, yeah, you can see even this one is have a bump. Okay, this one is 68 micro, 35 volts, I think. Yeah, 68 micro. Let's see. Let me see if I can find one. $47, close enough. Close enough. 47 micro, 63 volts, even better. Minus plus, and you can see that it's a tenor on a parallel mode with the capacitor. Very nice power supply. This is the Philips style. Panasonic, yeah, Panasonic, sorry. Made a confusion. Everything is fine. Let's test it now. Let's put one screw there. Let's plug it. I'm curious. Should be working. Should be working. Look, we have writing on the display. You can see. Look here. This is it's a display with vacuum, and they need like minus 40 volts. So possible that power supply is for something like that. Now pressing the power. Yeah, and I can hear the hard drive is spinning. Well, let's wait. He's saying please wait. Yeah, please wait. Let's wait a little bit. And let's try to find out what happened with our Perpetual Mobile. Let's see what's going on there. What voltage is supposed to be there? We have 12.4, same voltage. And on the output, let's check each. This is 5. Should be a minus 40, I'm sure, I'm pretty sure. Five. Yeah, I can bet. Should be minus 40. Or maybe that voltage is made on the different side. 12.4. 12.4. Same. 3.9. 3.9. So I believe this power supply is doing the 5 volts thingy. And that power rail, that power supply should be on different sides. Check there, minus 18, what I told you. But this voltage is made on here somewhere. Somewhere it's not on the power supply. Usually it's made on the power supply, but not on this model. So yeah, it's all done and working. Let's check one more time. 0, 0. That means I should have the eject button. I should be working. Yes, it's working. And everything seems to be fine. Yeah, you can see. Pressing the power button. Bye. It's going off. I have the clock. I'm pressing the power button one more time and it's coming on. Okay, so it's working fine. That was the issue. And now if we check, yeah, let's check. Let's unplug this. Let's come with the power supply, which is still 11.7. Let's see, the voltage is going up. Probably not, because now you have a good capacitor there. No, it's not happening anymore. You see? Look, it's not happening. It's same. 11.7. But it's taking 1 point something amps. You can see. So check that. 2.6. 1.3 is different story. different story. So that was the one. This is the perpetual mobile device, the time capacitor. Yeah, that's the one. That was the tricky one. Okay. Weird fault. Weird. Proper weird. Yeah, it's still working. It's fine. Okay, I'll put the screws back and I'll close this. But if you have this DVD, you have to replace those caps. This one and this one. And this is a Panasonic DMR-EX768. That's the model. Keep in mind. So you can transfer stuff from the DVD to the hard drive. Or from the hard drive to the DVD. I'm not sure about that. It has a toner here on the... Probably you can record radio. Has a fan. Nice toy. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.